Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Zari and you guys are watching Finance Career. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about crypto prices. Now, if you haven't noticed guys, I'm in a new location. I'm currently in Italy, Rome for the next few weeks, so this will be my location where I might be doing some video moving forward. So I'm gonna do this video where I haven't done in a while, where in my last time where I did a serial video talking about prices, I was most of the time correct about price correction and crashes, and I actually wanted to do this video for those that are maybe new in the sector or currently panicking seeing the price of Bitcoin going from $64,000 to $33,000, which is quite a lot. It's quite shocking. Now, if you have invested in the stock market, I'm assuming you know that everyone's talking about every 7 years or 8 years is going to be a correction. The same thing there is also in cryptocurrency. So to make it more interesting, I'm just going to show you what happened in the previous cycle and how much it went down, just for you guys to understand what might be the worst case scenario if we look at the previous cycle. So the previous cycle is if you look here, for example. So in the last time we reached the all-time high for Bitcoin was around, if I'm seeing here, it was around the 11th of December 2017, where we reached 19,660, and then from 7th of December and until here, which is the 17th or the 10th of December, literally almost a year it took for the price of Bitcoin to reach the all-time low, so basically from $20,000 to 3,120. If you guys do the math, is literally we're talking about 83% correction within a 12 months period. Now right now we saw so far within a week and a half or within almost 2 weeks, we saw a 50% correction, which is quite a lot within such a short time. So if you look at past cycle, price cycle was 83%. Now if you look here at Ethereum, for example, so again Ethereum reached in also around, let's see here, the 8th of January 2018, almost $1,600, and then we have within January to also within a 12-month period, we had price of Ethereum going down to $80 on the 3rd of December 2018 based on Kraken exchange. So if you look here, for example, even Ethereum, which is considered by many people not a shitcoin, it had a 95% drop within a 12-month period. Now, I'm sure for you guys just enter and bought it at all-time high, this is very scary, and I hope you guys haven't put all your money, but just for you guys to understand what are the potential worst case scenario for you guys. And again, I did make some video in the past where I say usually we have 80 to 90% correction in any cycle, and I think this might be also the case for this specific cycle. So for those that are looking to buy and are obviously are trying to say that they bought at the bottom, obviously only time will tell if you bought really at the bottom. And obviously I think this is gonna take some time until we see the price of cryptocurrency reaching the bottom. And for those that have been following my channel for quite some time, you probably know that I'm also doing some videos in different sectors, because I've been in this sector for since 2017, and I've seen the market going up, the market going down, and obviously people will start losing interest. I'm gonna have probably less viewers, and also all the other YouTubers that are talking about cryptocurrency. They're gonna have less and less interest. People will be not searching cryptocurrency. People won't be buying cryptocurrency, and this is when, guys, it's gonna be the best time for you guys to buy any cryptocurrency. Buying now and seeing all these comments on Twitter and all social media saying I bought at the bottom, everyone is basically bragging they bought it at the right time before it went up. I still think there's the market's still a lot of correction to do before we really start losing interest from the retail people, and then basically seeing less and less partnership, less and less news. And then really I think this probably should take either within the next 12 months we're going to reach the bottom, or we're going to see 80 to 96% correction or wiped out of a certain cryptocurrency prices. Now I'm gonna still doing videos about cryptocurrency. I'm gonna still do video about investing in other sectors because I do believe that's quite important to diversify, especially when if we look at the past cycle, we know that cryptocurrency has tendency to go between 80 to more than 90% down within any given cycle. This is why I do think about correction, and if you guys don't feel super comfortable holding off all your cryptocurrency, obviously you should consider maybe converting them to a stable coin, maintaining to a certain extent the value, and obviously getting an interest in that stable coin, for example. Now, one of the issues selling off or converting cryptocurrency to a stablecoin is that most of the time, or 95% of the time, you want to know when to re-enter the market. So this is the issue. If you don't know when to re-enter the market and you really believe in cryptocurrency, take into consideration that you're going to lose probably 90-70% of your value within the next 12 months for potentially in the future regaining few 100% or few 1,000% gain. So this is how this sector works, and this is a very volatile market. I wanted to do this video just to really illustrate for you guys how the prices move. And again, I do not believe that this market is crash. Again, I do believe we're going to see 95 to a certain extent correction in most of cryptocurrency, and I'm still going to be doing for my next video, I'm going to be covering another interesting company. It's called Fenbushi Capital. We're going to be going over their cryptocurrency investment and blockchain investment, and obviously trying to find cryptocurrencies we wish we had bought at a time, but they were maybe overpriced. So we're going to try to find those projects that are fundamental, they have a very good concept and they have a big hype around it, but we want to buy them at a discount. So we are aiming for 80 to 90% discount. This is my price target for the next 12 months on any major project. You may even see some cryptocurrency being wiped out. So that's it for today. Until my next video. Bye bye.